Hey you guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful YouTube channel. As always, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm about to go hustle and get this money, but before then, I wanted to tell you guys that how to vibrate higher. And basically what vibrating high means is being in complete unison with the universe and your higher self. So in order to do this, you have to let go of your self-defeating beliefs and beliefs that are low vibrational. Low vibrational beliefs are beliefs that include fear, self-doubt, jealousy, anger, all these things, which is okay. It's a part of human nature. But in order for us to vibrate higher, we must learn how to either tame or overcome, or even accept and embrace that part of ourselves in order to vibrate higher. So it takes a lot of work, especially if you haven't been taught this from a very young age. And a lot of times in especially very high-paced societies, we thrive on a very negative, low vibration. That's what everything runs off of. That's why the news exists. That's why all the media is pushing all the horror stories and things of that nature. So one of the ways you can actually vibrate higher is by turning off the news, stop looking at TV, thinking for yourself, thinking critically, getting in activities that vibrate on love instead of fear. So as you guys know, the infamous Infinite Waters said, choose love, not fear. So honestly, fear is facing your fears and doing it anyway, chasing your dreams, not sleeping on yourself. So these are all ways to be in a high vibration, because every day we are going to be in plagued with challenges, but it's how you endure the challenges that says everything about you and your future and who you are to become. But yeah, so today I encourage you guys to vibrate on a higher vibration. That means even cutting off all negative people, negative things, jobs that don't resonate with you, because this can very well be holding you down, dragging you down. In order to float or vibrate higher, you must meet the people, places, and things that serve you in that high vibration. You can't even do a half-ass. You can't be like, oh, I'm gonna keep this job that makes me feel shitty and then try to vibrate on a higher vibration. It doesn't work like that. You have to cut all ties with things that don't serve you anymore and be courageous enough to do so. But yeah, with that being said, you guys, as always, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.